Is your printer showing the ink system failure error? Then this video is going to be helpful for you. Also, you can get prompt expert assistance by calling at the following numbers on the screen. Otherwise, here I'll guide you through the simplest steps to get rid of ink failure issue. So let's jump right into it. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. When the printer is on, open the front door and let the printer slide over to the left. After that, remove one cartridge from the print head. Then, close the printer's front cover. Now, you need to put back the cartridge back into its place. Finally, your printer should be out of the ink system failure error. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.